Hi, my name is Renee Roy Hill, and I'm super excited to be sharing with you my brand new book that's coming out called Flippin Funetics. It has been designed to be used with the Talk Tools Apraxia Kit if you're using tools to help facilitate speech, but can also be used with hand cueing as well as just verbal and visual modeling. I've been using it with my clients for about 5 years now, making these books for all of my clients, and I'm very excited to now have a printed version that I can share with families and with all of you. So I wanted to give you just a couple of highlights so that you know what the book is designed to do. There's instructions in the front, and then there are sections that are going to work on different goals. So the first section is individual phonemes. So the phonemes targeted in this particular book are M, P, B, W, and Y, the bilabials, and then the vowels, U, O, A, E, I, and And it's designed to give a visual cue to be able to work on repetition of sound while we're either using a tool, ba, 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 possibly a hand cue, ba, 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 or maybe just a visual cue, ba, 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 with a verbal model. But what's really exciting is that this book also has a section on the back of each page. The book is designed to sit on the table where the client can see one side, and the therapist or parent working with the child can also have a visual cue of how to use the tool and which tool and how it's placed in the mouth, and then also how to do the hand cue for that particular sound. So now we have a quick visual reminder of what to do at each step. So I can work on sounds in isolation. I can work on sound transitions. So in this particular case, I might be working on voiced, voiced, and voiceless. I can work on 3 transitions, nasal, voiced, and voiceless. I can work on putting a consonant and a vowel together, to oo, and maybe I don't have this section showing, or I might be working on a consonant, vowel, consonant, oo, p, together. Might also be working on trying to teach the client how to sequence 2 sounds to produce a syllable. So maybe the client is having difficulty saying moo. We can practice the parts separately, oo as a sequence, and then we can have the picture here showing them how to put the 2 together. And on the syllable pages, if you look on the back, you'll see that it shows the 2 tools needed for that syllable, or the 2 hand cues needed for that syllable. So depending on what level the client is, whether they're needing a tool, a hand cue, or no cue, just verbal practice and repetition, it's designed to help us work on all of those things. So really designed for kids who are pre-verbal, have poor imitation skills, maybe are having difficulty shaping their syllables, getting into the ability to put a syllable together. And then eventually we can go into working on multisyllabic practice, and then multi-syllable with different changes. A really good way to be able to control the practice that we're working on with early developing sounds that many of our clients that we work with who have dysarthria and apraxia and very limited sound repertoires gives us lots of opportunities to practice different things with them. So I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I am, and I look forward to sharing more information about it with you soon.